So to get past that feeling of being overwhelmed with your photo collection, you need a goal. And just like the fact that you didn't gather your collection in a day or a month or a year, your goal needs to have some mile markers along the way to mark your progress and to keep you motivated. And motivation is another part of that goal. Why do you want to reach that end point? So those are two things to be thinking about. For me, the motivation was my boys and wanting to instill some family identity, some self-esteem and resiliency, and have opportunities for conversations that photos offer like nothing else that we found. So you may have other motivations. And for those mile markers, what in the next 6 to 12 months are happening in your family? What events or what people might you celebrate in birthdays, anniversaries, or even just a year in review for your family? In the comments, tell me what's your motivation and what events are coming up that you might use your photos to tell your story so that you can share it with your family and friends and future generations. Look forward to speaking with you again.